how to withdraw from Bitget to Trust Wallet. So it's an easy process. The first step is once you're on the Bitget exchange application, once you're here, from the home section, head over to the wallet, click on withdraw at the overview. You see overview at the top of your screen. Click on withdraw first. And then where we have on-chain withdrawal, go ahead and click on on-chain withdrawal first. And then go ahead and select the tokens you'd like to send. So let's say in this case, we want to send some Ethereum or Solana. So click on Ethereum here, and it's going to load up the send Ethereum menu where you provide a wallet address and a network and an amount. So minimize with this information, open up Trust Wallet. Once Trust Wallet has been opened, where we have the option to search at the top right corner, click on this option, search for ETH, which stands for Ethereum, and then go ahead and select Ethereum on any of the networks. We have Ethereum on Optimism, Base, Arbitrum, Manta, and a couple of other networks. Now, you could just select the network that corresponds. If you're going to be sending it on Morph, Ethereum, BEP20, Arbitrum, Optimism, ZK Sync Era, or Base. So let's go with Base here. It's usually cheaper. All you need to do now is just provide a withdrawal address. So go ahead and open up Trust Wallet, and then go ahead and select Ethereum on the Base network, this one. Click on it and just click on Receive. Copy the address, open up the Bitget exchange, paste this here. Once you have, go ahead and enter the amount of Ethereum you'd like to send, and just go ahead and click on withdraw, and that's it. That's how easy it is. All right.